Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I am in Athens, Tennessee, and I'm at Veterans Park here. And I've never checked this out. Take a look around. It's really neat. This right here is called the Veteran Walkway. And each brick has a veteran on it. This talks about the symbolism, how the crisp writing on the bricks is symbolic of the crispness of the uniform, so proudly worn, and the consistent color of each brick reminds us that it is one group bound not by race or creed, but by country. That's pretty cool. Lots of soldiers here though. It's a really nice area here. This ball reminds me of Ripley's Believe It or Not in Gatlinburg. I was just there not long ago. It looks like we have all the branches here: Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard. Oh, this is actually the globe, I see. I don't know if it's supposed to turn or not. Still pretty cool. Alright, let's walk over here. Some nice quotes here. Looks like a battleship. Looks like some members of the crew are from Athens. Established Athens, Tennessee as the final home port. That's cool. Here's the boat again. Lieutenant Charles R. Ware. And the boat was named after him. Served from 1945 to 81. And it was a destroyer. Looks like he was awarded the Navy Cross for his gallantry. There's more sailors who served on the Charles R. Ware. Here's a memorial for World War II soldiers that fought. And this is for World War I. Flagpole there, can't tell what the flag is. Tennessee state flag. Which I learned the other day, the stars on the Tennessee flag, the two stars are supposed to point up. Never knew that, but now I do. This is a this is for the patriots who fought in the American independence and the Revolutionary War that ended in 1783. A lot of the area around Tennessee was founded in late 1700s. Dedicated in honor and memory of the McMinn constituents who fought and died in Vietnam to preserve peace in the world and dignity to all mankind. Vietnam. In memory of Specialist James David Tatum. This is for the Korean War. My stepfather fought in the Korean War. It was 1950 to 1953. My stepfather was a major in the Marine Corps during the Korean War. And here's another Korean War. Marker. More for the Korean War here, for the memory of those McMinn constituents. Countians. So this is in honor of McMinn Countians who fought and died in Korea. So this one is dedicated to the honor of McMinn Countians who fought and died in Vietnam. Alright, that's it guys. Just want to stop real quick and check all this out. We'll see you next time.